The NSX GT1 Turbo, Honda's racing car, which was built to win the overall champions title at the Le Mans 24-hour in 1995. While Honda pursued perfection in high-revving, naturally aspirated engines for its production models, the GT1 was equipped with a turbocharger, the installment of the turbo aimed at defeating their arch-rival, the McLaren F1. The power plant was based on the 3-liter C30A, equipped with a twin turbo, pumping out over 650 horsepower at 8,500 RPMs. All the accumulated engineering know-how gained through the days when Honda reigned the Formula One turbo era was utilized to develop this Le Mans special. The chassis looks a lot more like a production car compared to the GT cars of today. But obviously, the brakes and suspension were completely different from the production models. Dunlop slicks were chosen. The top drivers of the Honda Works team, Han, Gachot, and Ivan Capelli, tested and raced this car at Le Mans in 1995. In the actual race, the car had to drop out on the 7th lap after a clutch problem developed. Now we are fortunate to get the chance to test this car exclusively for the lucky viewers of Best Motoring. The driver for the task is, of course, Keiichi Tsuchiya. Tsuchiya was the GT2 class winner in the same 1995 Le Mans, driving an NSX GT2.
NSX ターボだよ。すごすぎ。速い。まっすぐ速い。当時のまま動くってすごいことだよこれ。僕らの GT2 の場合はもうちょっとこう後ろを動かさないようにしてアンダー強くしたけどね、この車はやっぱりセットアップそのまんまだからオーバーが結構強い。ギアも合ってないけどさ、トルクで持ってっちゃうってところがすごいよこれ。よくできてるんだよね。やっぱこうなんつうの、世界のヒノキ舞台で戦うだけの車だね。本当にそういう作り方をしてる。エンジンなんか本当にルマに合ってるっていうかさ、もうシフトダウンしなくてもギアで回っていくよっていうぐらいすごいよく完成されたエンジンだよね。トルクバンドが狭い650馬力じゃないんだよ。4000回転から使える650馬力だよね。
I'm sorry to say, but the drivers racing in JGTC can't imagine how powerful 650 horsepower is. 650 is a power that can really win at Le Mans. The difference between the GT500 cars and this turbo Le Mans car is its power. The Le Mans car has much more power. The 650 horsepower easily takes this car over 300 kilometers per hour. I mean, the driver can't read the digital speedometer going up until it rests at around 320 kilometers per hour. GT cars, on the other hand, are more like formula cars. This Le Mans Turbo feels more like a production car than the GT 500 cars of today. This turbo really maneuvers like a production car. The driver must control the front grip and the rear weight in order to keep the car going steady at high speeds, which is exactly what you usually do with the road-going model. By test driving the Le Mans car, it reminded me that true GT cars should handle like this machine. The common characteristic of a production car is that it possesses roughness and imperfect handling properties. The limit may be set at a high level, but once an experienced driver takes it beyond that limit, the difficulty of controlling such car turns into pure joy. That's definitely the fun part about driving a mid-engine NSX.